Hello students, welcome to this computer class. In this class, I am going to discuss about the second chapter, which is hardware and software, from page number 21 to page number 23. So the first is card reader. Card readers are used for reading information stored on cards such as magnetic strip cards, smart cards, etc. Gift cards are example of magnetic strip card. This is the magnetic strip card. This black section is the magnetic strip. Information in the form of numbers and characters is magnetically stored on a magnetic strip. So all the information stored on this magnetic strip. When the card is swiped through a magnetic card reader, the information is read quickly and accurately. If you expose this card to magnetic field or physical damage or contact with certain liquids can destroy the information on the card. Next is smart cards. Smart cards look like magnetic strip card but contains a small chip instead of a magnetic strip. Most of the credit card and debit card issued by banks nowadays have both a chip and a magnetic strip. They store more data than magnetic strip cards. A smart card reader can read and write data on the card. Petrol companies and departmental store uses smart cards to keep track of customer shopping history. Satellite television companies use smart cards in their receiver. Here receiver means set-top box, to store the code that is used to decode satellite signals and display pictures. Next topic is output devices. Output devices convey information from the computer to user. The example of output devices are LCD projector, braille printers and plotters. LCD projector. Full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. It shows the output from a computer on a large screen. It is commonly used for displaying presentation during meeting and conference. This is the LCD projector. Next is braille printer. This is the picture of braille printer and this is the braille printout. A braille printer produces braille printout. Here braille printout means patterns of raised dot, like here. This is a braille printout. It works with software that translate text to braille. So what is the purpose of braille software? Braille software just translate the text to braille. Next is plotter. A plotter is a printing device that is used for creating high quality graphics, charts, graphs, tables and diagrams. Plotters use ink pens or inkjets to create graphics on paper or polyester films. Plotters are commonly used in computer aided design, short form is CAD, and computer aided manufacturing, short form is CAM, for printing plans for houses, car parts, machinery, etc. Plotters are 4 types: drum plotter, micrographic plotter, inkjet plotter, flatbed plotters. Next is software. The term software refers to the computer programs that are needed for running or operating a computer system. So, a software is a computer programs. So, the definition of software is software refers to the computer program that are needed for running or operating a computer system. Now, the definition of program. A program is a sequence of step-by-step instructions to perform a particular task. Software is an essential component of a functional computer system. Computer hardware is useless without software. Software commands the hardware about what task to do, how to do it, and when to do it. So, to run a computer system, we need software. And these softwares are used for instruct the hardware about what to do and how to do and when to do. Now, types of software. So, softwares are divided into these three categories. First is system software, next is utility software, and next is application software. And these system softwares are three types. First is operating system, next is device drivers, next is language translators. And application softwares are two types. First is general purpose software and next is customized software. So first I am going to discuss about system software. System software refers to programs designed to control the operation of a computer system. So system softwares are control the operation of whole computer system. These programs assist in running application program. These system softwares help in running application programs. System software can be classified into operating system, drivers or device drivers, and language translators. So first system software is operating system. An operating system is the master control program that runs the computer. It controls the flow of signal from the central processing unit to the various parts of a computer. So, the operating system is the main program or main software that runs the computer, and it also controls the signals from the CPU to various parts of the computer. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first computer program that gets loaded in its memory. So when we switch on the computer, operating system is the first program that gets loaded into computer's memory. Example of operating system is Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Next system software is device driver. A driver is a computer program that enables a computer to interact with a hardware device. Hardware device means printer, pen drive. So, device driver is a program that allows a computer to interact with hardware devices. Next is language translator. Language translators are programs that translate a computer language program into a machine language program. So here computer language programs means programs written in English language with the help of English alphabets and numbers. And machine language programs means program written in zeros and one. Computer only understands zeros and ones. That is why we use language translator to translate computer language programs into machine language program. The computer language program is called source code. So the programs written in computer language program or in using English language is called source code, whereas the machine language programs is called object code. So the programs written using zeros and ones are called machine language programs, and it is also called object code. So that's all for today's class.